Hello guys, this is Kevin Hill, and I'm gonna be reviewing the Multitool from Colombia. Yeah, that's the name. Actually, I don't know the model name or anything for this supercomputer or anything like that, so we can look at it. Hopefully you would know what it is. It's one of them gift ones, so yeah. So far, I like the feel of it. It has like little bumps along it for good grip. It's nice and small. So like my other knife, where did I put that? See, about the uh, same size. I really cannot think right now. So that's good. They open up pretty nice. Good set pliers. Really small though. I haven't used the wild colors in them yet, but it does have a spring mechanism so that it comes right back out. Very nice. It folds very nice too. Um, the main use for this right now that I use it for is the light for it. If I can get it out. See? So twist it. Yeah, that way. See? Nice bright LED light. See? Very nice. Be a very good use for waking up in the middle of the night, having a bathroom or camping. But yeah, I use this mostly for like I need to find the keyhole for the door. It works very well, especially because it has a key ring on it. They'll good for that. But for the knife, the screwdriver, and the saw, no, very bad. First off, you can only grab it from the one end, right here, with a very small knots. This is pretty nice. I mean, the saw blade, I guess it works. I didn't really try it. And everything else, you pretty much have to like try to grip the metal to try to get out. Has a screwdriver with a flathead, bottle cap opener. Actually, haven't tried that yet. I might try it tomorrow and tell you guys if it works or not. A very small Phillips head and the knife. And I'll show you a really quick knife test still. Again, this knife is very bad. I never sharpened it yet, so that could be another reason, but yeah, so yeah. This doesn't really want to go through the paper that well. Yeah. It just doesn't want to go easily through. It will cut, but not really. So that's my quick review of my Columbia Multitool that I got for a gift.